Prime factorization.
Hi everyone, in this lesson, you will learn about prime factorization. First, what is factoring? From the word factorization, factoring is the reverse of multiplication. Factor, let's have 15. You're going to think of two numbers. First, multiply together, we get 15, and those are 3 and 5. Simple, multiply 5 times 3, we get the product. 15, the others factor of 15 are 1 and 15. So, 15 times 1, we have 15. So, 1, 3, 5, and 15 are what we call factors. Those are numbers multiplied together to get another number. Questions is what is a prime numbers?
Prime numbers are positive integers having exactly two factors, 1 and itself. So those are numbers greater than 1. So let's have 2. 2 can be factored by 1 times 2. And 2 is the only even prime. Next, we have 3. 3 can be factored by 1 and itself. Then 3 is a prime number. 4 can be factored by 1 times 4, but 4 can be also factored by 2 times 2. So 4 is not a prime number. It is a composite number consists of more than 2 factors. Here are the least common used prime number. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 9, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, and so on and so forth. So now, to prime factorization, it is need to break down or express a given number as a product at prime numbers. So here we use the factors method, which is the factor 3. So let's have 24. When you factor 24, you write two factors below it would with lines or branches going them to. So 24 can be factored by 2 times 12. Circle the 2, which is a prime, and 12 is a composite. Therefore, we continue factor it so 12 can be factored by 2 times 6. 2 is a prime, then 6 can be factored by 2 times 3, and they are both primes. So 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Next, we can use the ladder method. So let's have 24 here. We are going to make an upside down division box. You put your divisor outside and the quotient under or below to factor 24. We can start by dividing it with the smallest prime number, which is 2. So 24 divided by 2, we have 12. 12 can be divided 2. We have 6 can be divided by 2. We have 3. 3 is already a prime number, so that will be the last. Encircle the prime numbers. So therefore 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now there is another way of factoring 24. We can factor it by 3 times it in circle 3. It can be factored by 2 times 4 in circle 2. 4 can be factored by 2 times 2, and they are both prime. So still we have the same answer, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Next, using the ladder method. Still we have 24 divided by 3. We have 8, and 8 divided by 2, we have 4. And 4 divided by 2, we have 2. And 2 is already a prime number. Next, encircle all the prime numbers. Still, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now, for your understand the lesson, let's do more. Express each number as the product of its prime factors. Let's prime factor, so let's have 60. Let's use the factor 3. 60 can be factored by 3 times 20. Encircle the prime 20. So 20 can be factored by 4 times 5. 5 is a prime. Then 4 can still factored by 2 times 2. And they are both primes. So 60 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So you can see, if you going list the prime number, you started the smallest to the greatest. So here, let's have 45. Use the ladder method. So we're going to divide 45 with the smallest prime, and 45 cannot be divided by 2, so therefore we use 3. 45 divide 3, we have 15, and 15 can be divided again by 3. So 15 can be divided by 3, which is a 5, and 5 is already a prime. Then encircle the prime, so therefore 45 is equal to 3 times 3 times 5. So let's have 154. So here, let's use factor 3. 154 can be factored by 2 times 77. So 154 can be factored by 2 times 77. Encircle the prime 2, and 77 is a composite, and that is equal to 7 times 11, and they are both prime. So 154 is equal to 2 times 7 times 11. So that's all. Thank you.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, I don't pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is giving in.